In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Samsung TV from automatically switching sources. This can be annoying when your TV changes inputs without you asking, but the fix is simple. First, turn on your Samsung TV and grab your remote. Press the Home button to open the main menu. Next, navigate to Settings, then select General. From there, find the External Device Manager option. Inside External Device Manager, look for Anynet plus HDMI-CEC and turn it off. This feature lets devices control your TV and can cause automatic source switching. If you still want to use Anynet Plus but want to stop the auto switching, look for the Auto Input Change option and disable it. Finally, exit the menu and test your TV. It should no longer switch sources on its own when you power on other devices. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy TV tips and tricks.